Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Steph Nugo, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to create this. Yes, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create simple aesthetic YouTube intro, and trust me, you want to stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, so in this video we'll be using the InShot app, and this is what the app looks like when you open it. Now we'll be adding our wallpaper, that's our background for this YouTube intro. So now you want to set the frame, you want it to be full, and you want to make sure it is the YouTube frame for this, which is 16.9. Okay, now that we have our background set, you want to add the icons, that's the app icons, and your design for your YouTube intro. So I just kinda wanted everything to be on the app, so I decided to add everything here before separating them and doing what I wanted to do. So you might be wondering where I got all these icons from. I got them from Pinterest, and I used removed the BG as a site to clear the background, so it made it transparent. The first icon I'm going to work with is the flower. Is that flower? That's a leaf, sorry, yeah, the leaf. I'm going to duplicate that because I need one at either side of the background. So I wanted them inverted because I wanted to put something at the middle there. That's why I flipped the other one so they would rhyme. I'm just trying to set them to make sure they are on the same level, because you don't want one to be higher than the other. No, you want them to be on the same level. Now I'm going in to set a transition for them. That's how they come into the background. That's how they move, either they come up or they slide down. Yeah, that's what I'm setting now. So I'm going to be doing the exact same thing with the other leaf, just that I would make it to go in the opposite direction from the other one. Now going in to add my name at the center, of course, Steph Nugo. That's my channel name, as we all know. And if you haven't subscribed, you might want to subscribe now. Yeah, I said it. Anyway, I'm going to be adding Steph Nugo, and you want to set a catchy font. Of course, you want to set a catchy font, and trust me, the struggle for that is real. You can also set your font from another app and import it here anyhow you want it. Normally I set my font from Pixel Lab and then I import it here. So it's time to pick a color. This always seems like the hardest part, but no, it's so easy. You just have to pick. If you have a light background, you want to go with a dark font color, and if you have a dark background, you want to go with a light font color. Now we're going to choose how my name would be displayed on the background. That's how it's going to be while the intro is playing, which is exactly what I'm doing now. And I think I found this one was perfect, like so perfect to me. And I decided to increase the speed, or reduce the speed rather, so it was perfect and it blended perfectly with the rest of the design I put out. So my second mind told me to pick something else to transition my name into the intro. Now you always want to play it to monitor your progress and see how far you've gone or what mistake you need to correct. It's time to add my social media icons and handle. If you haven't followed me yet on my social media pages, I'm going to leave the links in the description below as usual, and trust me, you don't follow me, I'm a whole vibe. Okay, so placing things on the background and trying to fit them into the perfect size might be the hardest. It's not the color now that is the hardest. This might be the hardest because you want to make everything to rhyme. You want it to look perfect, even though nothing can be perfect anyway. But you want to try your best to make it look perfect, which is what I was trying to do here. So this was the moment I realized that I didn't know what my social media handles where I placed them before, and I wanted them at the two corners of the background. And I think I liked it there, like it was perfect there. Which is why I said you always want to play back to see if you like your progress. Don't just make it once and think it's going to fall into place like that. No, you want to play it at intervals to see your progress. Like I said, resizing things is like the hardest part, but you just have to use your, when I say church mind to do it. You have to use your inner mind to resize things and make sure everything is perfect and in order. Transitions are very important when it comes to doing your YouTube intro. It's very important. You just don't want everything to be bare and just appear anyhow on the screen. No, you want it to appear stylishly. I decided to replay to see if my progress so far was good, as if I liked what I was saying so far. But as usual, there will always be certain mistakes and all, so you just have to be careful. Like, don't rush it. This life, don't rush anything, man. Just calm down and chill. So I decided to extend everything to the end, that's to where the background stops. And I was still working on the transition too. I wanted it to rhyme. At the same time, I didn't want it to rhyme. I was kind of confused. So now just extending everything to rhyme with where the background ends. That's at 5 seconds. And I replayed it again. I realized my name wasn't like going off like the rest. It was still showing. I decided to reduce it small so that at the end it would not show, that it would have gone off before the rest goes off. So yeah, you have to arrange that in an orderly manner, because you want one thing to go off before the other. That's to go off the background before the other, and this is how you set everything. They should not be on the same line except the ones that are alike. I hope we understand what I'm trying to say at this point. I mean, it's just like you're doing mathematics. You have to calculate everything in your head, how everything has to go. At this point, I was satisfied. Yes, I felt it was perfecto. And I decided to add music, and to search for songs is like really hard. So you have to pick the perfect one that blends with how your transitions flow, and I think I made the perfect choice too. Anyway, you're going to see the end product right now. Thank you for coming this far. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe and give this a big thumbs up.